check this out right here. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna have to end up fixing this. I'm just gonna sand all this down and then prime it with some etching primer. It's 180 grit. If you're going to be doing some painting at home, this is probably the best gun for it. So it's got all your ratios here. Yeah, so like the tips come in different sizes. Like this is a 1.8 millimeter. Alright, so you shoot a primer with this tip. And I'm going to shoot a clear and base coat with this tip. This is a 1.4. Okay. You need to attach the little regulator it comes with. So the cups, this cup system, it's pretty cool. Okay. So this is disposable. Okay. There's a filter built in. So what you can do is you do your ratios. The cup, disposable liner. Okay, so change these out. Okay, you reuse this every time. Throw the liner in. Mix. Cap. Ready to go. That's it. Good to go. Adjustments are pretty simple. Everything's here. Okay, and then put a fitting on there. And that's it. Alright. So it's gonna work great. I'm gonna go ahead and scuff up the E-coat. I'm gonna use a red Scott Brite pad. coats of primer. Looks like that came out pretty good. The primer looks like it filled up those little dents pretty good. Go ahead and shoot some color on this thing and clear this bad boy. Alright, got that color coat done. Pretty good. And go ahead and throw some clear on it. Alright, well that wraps up my little paint project video and the Stingray hood. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out for a garage paint job. So if you guys have any questions, just leave them down in the comment box below, and if you're wondering where I got any of the tools, products, or any of the paint supplies or anything like that, I'll leave some links down in the description box for you. So check those out. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend. Later.